Welcome to this explainer. Today we're going to unpack the fascinating science and the actual on-the-ground logistics behind concierge IV therapy. It's a highly proactive health solution that's been specifically designed to tackle the extreme physical demands of Las Vegas. Now, if you've ever wondered exactly how high-performing professionals, elite athletes, and even just regular visitors manage to keep their edge in an environment that literally constantly drains them, well, you are in the right place. We're going to dive straight into the data and the clinical protocols to show you exactly how this ultimate biological hack really works.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll look at the Las Vegas hydration problem. 2. The bioavailability bypass. 3. Customized IV therapy solutions. 4. Advanced wellness and NAD+. And finally, concierge healthcare delivered. Let's jump right in. All right, Section 1. The Las Vegas hydration problem. Extremes of the desert. To really understand the solution, we have to respect the problem, right? And the Vegas toll is absolutely relentless. Just imagine all these elements combining against you. You're walking miles up and down the strip, the arid climate has virtually zero humidity, and then you're hit with that heavy, constant indoor air conditioning. Dermatologists actually call this rapid transepidermal water loss. Basically, the environment is just pulling moisture out of you. Top that off with totally wrecked sleep schedules from multi-day networking events or, late nights out, and your body experiences a massive depletion of essential nutrients before you even realize what's happening. Whether an athlete sweating in the sun, a tourist, or a corporate pro stuck in a convention center, the physical toll is incredibly rapid and severe.
Which naturally brings us to a pretty crucial question. When you're faced with this kind of accelerated nutrient depletion and severe desert dehydration, why does traditional oral hydration fall short? Why can't we simply drink our way out of this deficit?
That leads us right into Section 2, the bioavailability bypass, the science of IV therapy.
Think of your digestive system kind of like a slow, winding traffic jam. While drinking water is obviously essential, oral hydration just takes a lot of time to process. Any oral supplements you take have to sit in that traffic, and you end up losing a huge chunk of those vitamins and minerals during the natural digestive process. But IV therapy? It's the express lane. It completely bypasses the gastrointestinal tract, delivering hospital-grade fluids, vitamins, and electrolytes immediately into your bloodstream.
100%. Literally, that is the magic number here. Because you're bypassing the digestive tract entirely, you ensure 100% nutrient bioavailability. There's zero waste. Your cells absorb the exact nutrients they need the literal second they're administered. And what that means is a rapid, highly efficient restoration of cellular hydration and physical energy that oral supplements just cannot compete with.
Moving on to Section 3, customized IV therapy solutions, tailored for your symptoms.
This is where it gets really interesting, because this goes way beyond some generic one-size-fits-all fits. These are highly customized clinical protocols tailored for very specific physiological needs. When we break down the categories, you can see the medical staff are basically acting as clinical mixologists. A quick rapid hydration drip for general desert heat exhaustion, that takes just 30 to 45 minutes using normal saline and core electrolytes. Prepping for travel or fighting off a bug, immune fortification brings in high-dose vitamin C and zinc. For severe muscular fatigue, or, let's be honest, a really bad hangover, advanced recovery adds B12, glutathione, magnesium, and even specialized anti-nausea meds. But then look at cellular optimization. That one is a totally different beast and can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours.
So how does this actually translate to your specific lifestyle? Well, say you're an exhausted athlete competing in the desert. You're losing vital electrolytes at an incredibly accelerated rate. By getting a preemptive infusion of magnesium and calcium directly into the muscle tissues, you significantly reduce cramping and speed up your post-event recovery. On the flip side, a traveling executive facing a gauntlet of multi-day conferences has a totally different need. They require a targeted infusion of essential B vitamins and specific amino acids to provide that sustained cognitive focus you need to survive back-to-back meetings without completely crashing.
All right, Section 4, Advanced Wellness and NAD+. Beyond basic hydration. Beyond basic event recovery, the data shows that a lot of residents and visitors are actually seeking out advanced proactive protocols to optimize their long-term cellular health. And that brings us to NAD+. You can think of it as the ultimate fuel for your cell's power plants, the mitochondria. It's a vital coenzyme naturally found in every single living cell, totally responsible for energy production and essential DNA repair. The catch? As we age, our natural levels of this essential coenzyme drastically decline. Targeted infusions essentially top off your tank, replenishing those depleting cellular levels. Patients regularly report that this therapy restores their mental clarity, gives them sustained physical energy throughout the day, and basically acts as a comprehensive anti-aging strategy from the inside out.
And hey, if you're trying to manage weight in a high-stress environment, you know it takes a lot more than just dieting. Physician-supervised medical weight loss actually integrates seamlessly into this mobile delivery model too. They utilize clinically proven peptides and essential lipotropic nutrients to proactively target and support fat metabolism, all while strictly preserving your hard-earned lean muscle mass.
Finally, Section 5, Concierge Healthcare Delivered, Logistics and Safety.
It's one thing to have amazing clinical protocols, but how does this high-grade medical treatment actually reach you safely in a chaotic 24-hour city? Well, clinical safety is absolutely the top priority here. We're not talking about amateurs. Treatments are administered exclusively by fully licensed, highly experienced registered nurses. Before a single drop of fluid is administered, these nurses conduct a thorough medical consultation and a complete vital signs check to make sure the therapy is completely medically appropriate for you. They're using exactly the same high-quality fluids you'd find in a hospital and relying entirely on sterile, single-use medical equipment.
And the logistics? The whole process is beautifully designed to completely eliminate transportation stress. Think about it. When you're severely fatigued or unwell, navigating dense city traffic or sitting in a crowded waiting room is literally the absolute last thing you want to do. You just select your protocol and provide your location. Whether you're resting up at a major resort on the Strip, stuck at your office, or just chilling at home in local neighborhoods like Henderson or Summerlin, a dedicated dispatch team coordinates a rapid response. The medical professional typically arrives within an hour of your booking. So you get to just relax on your couch, watch TV, or even keep working on your laptop while receiving premium care.
Now, as with anything health-related, it's important to impartially note the standard medical disclaimer associated with these specific therapies. These services have not been evaluated by the FDA, and they aren't intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. The information is designed for wellness purposes, and of course, you should always consult your physician before beginning any new treatment or therapy program.
As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a thought. In a city that demands absolute peak performance, time is often your single most valuable asset. By completely bypassing both the waiting room and your body's slow digestive system, these concierge mobile IV therapies offer a truly fascinating biological shortcut. Whether you're fighting off the desert heat, recovering from a brutal schedule, or seeking out advanced cellular repair, direct intravenous delivery might just be the most efficient investment you can make in your personal health and wellness. Thanks for joining me to explore the science behind it.